Okay. Tayo pag kumakain tayo, kain tayo ng kanin tsaka ulam, sabay subo, di ba? Unahin mo na yung fruits. Ang vegetables. Ang fruits kasi ginagawa natin panghimagas, di ba? Last na natin.
Kasi matamis eh.
O, dalawahin mo na. Pag fruits muna tsaka vegetables because fibers. Mapupuno na kaagad.
In short, eat clockwise sa plate.
Correct. Exactly, Tintin. Yeah. Vegetables and fruits. Yung protein mo, which is your fish or chicken, pagdating mo dun sa grains, minsan busog ka na. Hindi mo na gagalawin yun. Oo. Now, don't feel guilty kung may maiwan. Diba?
Balang bigas.
Diba? Madalas tayong sabihan ng nanay natin, oy, ang daming nagugutom din sa labas. Kailangan kumain, ubusin mo yan.
Bawat butil, mahalaga.
Pero the Japanese way of eating,
nauhuli ang kanin.
tsaka pag 80% full na, okay na yun. They will not even touch that anymore. Oo. Ngayon, isa pang cue natin dyan is to eat slow.
Nako.
Yeah. Right?
It's slow.
It's slow.
How slow?
Like within 20 minutes. Tayo pag mabilis tayong kumain. 10 minutes, kahit naubos mo yung isang bandehado ng food, the brain still feels na gutom pa ako. Because
parang sa buffet, Doc. Kumakain ka sa buffet, di ba? Parang feeling ng brain mo, hindi ka pa...
Feeling mo maubusan.
Na-excite pa eh, no?
Na-excite pa, oo.
Teka, how many times should you chew? Kasi dati may narinig ako, you should chew for a minute before you swallow your food. Totoo ba yun?
Well, the slower, the chewing, pero I don't think na consciously magka-count ka talaga.
No, 1 minute. Kaya the French women don't get fat eh. Sabi nila.
Yeah, that's
because
the
they eat
French
slow.
paradox. Slow. That is why the importance of not eating alone and watching TV because unconsciously kain ka lang ng kain.
Ganyan ako eh.
When you are eating with people that you love and you have these conversations, that slows down the process.
Parang hindi sa atin.
Parang sa amin baliktad.
Pag na-excite kami, the more maraming chismis, the more maraming...
Nakakatuwa. Kain ka lang ng kain.
Nakakalimutan mo.
What about coffee, Doc? Okay lang ba?
Okay. Coffee without sugar, basta lang mga 1 or 2 cups a day, that's fine.
I have to ask you, yung stevia.
Okay. According to the nutrition school where I attended sa US, even those mga artificial sugar should be avoided as much as possible. It would be better to use monk fruit. I don't know if you've heard of it.
Yes. I take monk fruit.
Monk fruit would be...
It's better pala kasi may aftertaste eh. Pero,
may aftertaste sa'yo? Okay.
Pero okay lang, panasanay ka. Coco sugar. Is it...
That's... I haven't looked into that, but probably.
Basta better than white sugar.
Better than white sugar, definitely.
Pero meron din yung mga fructose, di ba?
Ganon din yun eh. Now, even the fruits have a lot of sugar, but you can choose to eat mga low glycemic index.
Sige, Doc, ano tong mga
ibig sabihin niya na although may sugar din sila, yung sugar nila hindi mabilis ma-absorb sa katawan natin. What are
Doc,
these?
ano mga to?
So that will be your kiwi.
Wow, social, kiwi.
Okay. Yung simple na lang. Guava.
Ayan, bayabas. Meron niya sa mga puno-puno.
Avocado.
Social din.
Avocado?
Seasonal lang avocado.
Seasonal ba?
Diba?
But it contains fat but healthy fat.
Yeah.
Dragon fruit, Doc.
Dragon fruit. Very good. Ano pa? Oranges, of course. No?
Yung saging, Doc.
Saging, pero hindi masyadong marami, no? Kasi medyo mataas din sa sugar. Ano pa?
Iba-iba nasasanay pagkakain saging.
Saging.
Pagkakain. Wow.
Grapes, pero hindi yung isang bungkos ng grapes.
Ilang pirasong grapes?
Mga 5 to 10 na butil ng grape should be okay. And better pa if you eat yung may seed.
Pag may seed,
May seed is even better because it has a very powerful antioxidant.
Yung pati seed kakainin mo.
Kakainin mo yung seed.
Kaya dragon fruit, no?
Dragon fruit.
Kiwi.